Hi, boys and girls. For this activity, you're going to need the parts of the day cards and your iPad. If you do not have both of those items, I would like you to pause the video and go and get them now. Welcome back. Now that you have the parts of the day cards, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be making a seesaw video explaining where the sun is during the different times of the day. So the first thing you need to do is you need to put the parts of the day cards in order from what would happen first thing in the morning all the way to what would happen at nighttime. Then I want you to think about something you do at each of those times. The first one should be something you do in the morning, an afternoon activity, an evening, and then a nighttime activity. Explain what you're doing and where the sun would be. Submit that video on Seesaw to your teacher. I know all the teachers are excited to hear what you have learned and what you do at the different times of the day.